Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious peach mango pie. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh diced peaches and 1½ cups of ripe diced mangoes. Also, grab 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, have 2 sheets of your favorite pie crust ready to go. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. In a medium saucepan, combine your diced peaches and mangoes with the sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and cinnamon. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes. You'll notice it thickening and becoming beautifully glossy and bubbly. Once it reaches this consistency, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool completely before the next step. With your filling cooled, it's time to assemble the pies. Roll out your pie crusts and cut them into your preferred shapes, perhaps rectangles or charming circles. Spoon a generous amount of the delicious peach mango filling onto 1/2 of each crust. Carefully fold the other half of the crust over the filling, pressing the edges together firmly. Then, use a fork to crimp the edges, creating a lovely, secure seal. Finally, let's bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your assembled pies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 18 to 22 minutes, or until the crusts are beautifully golden brown and flaky. Once baked, let them cool slightly before serving. These pies are absolutely delightful warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. Enjoy your homemade peach mango pie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.